In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new standard page on Weebly. If you're new to website building or simply looking to reorganize your site, Weebly makes it easy with its user-friendly interface. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring it's as clear and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly's website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the overview section of Weebly. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. It's helpful to regularly familiarize yourself with this dashboard as it gives you a snapshot of what you can manage, edit, or adjust on your website. Once in the dashboard, the next thing you'll notice is a pop-out feature. This is a convenient tool for accessing various sections quickly. If this pop-out is currently open, simply click on the X icon to close it. Closing the pop-out declutters your workspace, making it easier to focus on the specific tasks at hand. Now locate the Pages section on the dashboard. Just a heads up, pages are where individual sections of your website reside, like the home page, about page, or contact page. Click on Pages to enter the page management area. Here you can see and manage all the existing pages of your site, as well as add new ones. To create a new page, find the plus icon and click on it. This feature is straightforward, symbolizing the action of adding something new. Clicking this icon opens up a new window that allows you to select the kind of page you want to add. For this guide, we are going to select Standard Page. Standard pages are typically used for the main content on your website, such as services, contacts, or gallery pages. After selecting Standard Page, you'll need to name your new page. Think about what content this page will hold and choose a name that is both descriptive and concise. This name will often appear in the website's navigation, so it's important for it to be clear to your visitors. Finally, after typing in the page name, click Done. This action saves your new page and makes it part of your site. From here, you can start adding content to your page by using Weebly's intuitive drag and drop editor. In fact, if you prefer, you can easily rearrange the pages in your navigation by dragging them to your desired order within the tabs or drop-down menu. And there you have it. Creating a new page in Weebly is a simple process, helping you easily organize and expand your website with just a few clicks. If you have any questions or would like further customization tips, feel free to explore more features in the Weebly editor. Happy building!